Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so thrilled, beyond thrilled, to join you for this Black Friday sneak peek special. Are you ready? This one is called Hanging Out in the Game Room by Tom Wood. Look at this. Look at all the cats and the dogs chilling there while the folks are away. And we're going to see what this grandfather clock looks like, and these puppy in the corner. This is a 94 centimeter by 70 centimeter, which translates into 37 inches by 27 inches, and it is square. Even though this says it's square, you can immediately see on the box there's a square, so you know it's going to be a square. So this is the box. It says square diamonds right there. It has the sticker on it. You know exactly what you're getting. This little sticker came inside the box. I like to put this either on my logbook, on my kit up with the drills, or on the end of the box if I'm storing it away. There's so much you can do with this sticker. So this is the box, and these are the 3 things that came in the box, and we're going to explore it in a little bit more detail. Okay, so first we're going to look at the toolkit. In the toolkit, you're going to get an applicator, comfort grip, heart-shaped wax, craft tray, tray stopper, multi-placer, cover minder, washi tape, Ziploc bags, and tweezers. Oh my gosh, all that fit in this bag. I could never be a packer. You should see my drawers trying to fit all of that stuff inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So we are going to pull all of this out and see what's in here. Ooh, a new colored pen for me. Oh, is there anything else in here? Nope. Okay, so here's the baggies. I've never gotten a yellow, but it's got some sparkle in it, and the squishy matches. Okay, and then you've got your random washi tape. You've got your heart-shaped wax. There's 2 of them in here. Make sure when you apply your wax into your pen that you remove the plastic off the top so the wax gets good in there, not the plastic. Look at this cute little cover minder. Oh, I have to figure out where. Oh my goodness, it is short a magnet. That's okay. I want to be honest with you. It's short a magnet, but I have plenty of magnets. Look how adorable that little guy is. What is a cover minder? A cover minder is the cute part. It holds back the plastic. You put the other magnet behind it, so they sandwich together on the canvas, and it holds your plastic back while you're drilling your diamonds. You also get a 4-placer and a 7-placer that can go on the end of your pen, like so. And now you can have a double pen, and you have your tray with your stopper, and then you have your tweezers with the protective thing on it. Yes. I'll double check my bag later. Don't think anything's in there. All right, now let's get to the what makes you sparkle. So we're gonna open this plastic up. Now what I love about Diamond Art Club is they really make sure that your canvases come in a good condition, even if the shipping companies are mean to your box, because it comes in this plastic, which comes in that diamond painting box, which is shrink wrapped, which then comes in another box. So hopefully they've done everything in their power to make sure you're getting your kit in pristine condition. Oh my goodness. Okay, so feel the softness. How soft and velvety that is. And then inside, oh my Lanta, look at those drills. We're going to go through those in a minute. Oh. So here's your thank you for your purchase. Little message from Angie. It's going to tell you in different languages what's included in your kit. It's going to give you some tips and tricks if you're new. It's going to give you a QR code for a video. They have a VIP Facebook group, which I'm a member of. You are going to absolutely love it. And then they have step-by-step instructions. And then when there's so many, there's 81 colors in this, people, 81 colors. only 67 colors fit on a sheet, so I have 2 sheets, which is awesome because then you get 2 pictures. These 2 can go on the kit up for when I put the drills together. Look at this picture. How adorable. That's even a better shot of it. We're going to open the big kahuna in a minute. All right, so we're going to look here. Anything that's under 150 is going to be ABs. So we've got 141, 134, 130, 104. So there's 4 ABs here. And then at the end is where they like to stick their special drills. Oh, I've never seen a 600. Wow. This is a Z, and that's going to stand for your fairy dust. So this has 4 ABs and 1 fairy dust in it. You can put your start and your end date. You know what it says and who's it by. Everything is licensed through Diamond Art Club, so it's all legit. You can also see here all the fun letters, numbers, and symbols. Pretty easy to see. What I love about this is they also serge it. So if the canvas decides to go rogue and starts to defray or fray, it's going to stop right there with the serge. They also have your key in the upper left and in the bottom right. Look at that. With the 81 colors, it's almost the whole page. Almost the whole page. So we're going to unroll this. Look at this baby. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Oh my Lanta. How fun is that? They are doing a puzzle while we're doing a puzzle. This is the game room. Here's your golf. Over here, here is that grandfather clock I was so excited about. You've got your kitty cats, your dartboard, your trophies. Over here, they're keeping score, poker and pool club. How fun is that? Okay, so here's some more kitties down here. All right, we're gonna have to figure out how to show all this. Here's the soccer ball. Here's a doggy. Here's another doggy off screen. Right here is a kitty cat going. I'm just gonna look out the window. I'm looking to make sure nobody's coming home, and I'm the checkout. What do they call him? The lookout guy. So if mom and dad are coming home, we all can put this stuff away, right? They know what they're doing. Look at this. There's a an Afghan right here and the colors that go with it. Here's your football. All right. So let's see where some of these fun things are. Okay, so some of the ABs are right here in the football. You've got some on the puzzle. Let's see where some more are. Oh, there's some ABs here. I don't know what that is. Is that another blanket? Right there. Let's look at the ABs again because they're far away. 1, 2, 3, and a dot. Okay, so there's a lot of ABs in the dog right through here to kind of shadow it. Anywhere you see the white is going to be an AB. So here, oh, I'm so sorry. Earthquake. This thing's so big. It just knocked you guys off. Hang on tight. That's because it's so thrilling. So you've got your ABs here. You've got them in the clock. You've got them in the window. You've got them, I can't even reach it, up here in the sign. You've got them over here in the, is that a football thing? Right there. You've got them in the dartboard. And then I was trying to find, you've got them here in the puzzle. They're everywhere. And then the threes are also here in the puzzle. They're up in the golf picture. They're pretty much wherever you see the green, the light up here, like the medium green. It's right there. So yes, they're just sprinkled just enough to give you some bang, bang, shika, bang, bang on your painting. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so sorry. My little headphone fell right out. So I paused you so I could go grab it. So yes, I wanted to show you up close and personal the symbols. You can see they're very clear even when there's dark ones. And one of the things I love about Diamond Art Club is their blending. This is going to look phenomenal how they blend. They're artists that do the self-chart or the charting. Fabulous. Fabulous. So they're going to be blending in here as well. They just do a great job. The animals blend really well. Look at this. This dog has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors just for the dog. Just for the dog. So they do a fabulous, fabulous job. You will not be disappointed. Okay, so let's get to the drills. Oh my gosh, this thing is so heavy. There's so many of them. So about the drills, right here you'll see it says hanging out in the game room, and it has the little number on it. So if you do have it separated from your canvas, you're going to be good to go. Okay, let's get this baby started. Just some brilliant colors. Brilliant colors here to look at. I love the greens. Green's my favorite color. So anything that has green in it, there's one of your ABs that we talked about with the green. And just the fact that it has this many colors for those animals, they are going to be so lifelike. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love that they're not over, there's another AB. I love that they're not over stuffing. You see back here, they used to stuff both of these into one, and then it was like row, they would pop. Oh, we're going to show where the specialty drill goes. Oh my goodness, totally forgot about that when my ear set popped out. So we're going to show where the fairy dust ends up going. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Here's those 600s. I don't think I've ever done one. Ooh, look at that 333 with 600s, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. All right, here we go. We're going to keep going. Okay, so here's the 104. This is the one that goes kind of in the dog and the different fur. Give it the highlight. I have lots of, there's that 666 vibrant red. Here's the 141, which we talked about. There's 2 bags of it. And we're just getting all the colors. Bunch of 337. 1. There we go. All right, so many. Okay. Here's just a little touch-up that probably goes in that gray cat. And here's another strip. These are like the accent colors that add the depth. I like 712. I think it's underrated. Does a lot to add some depth to the different creams and whites. All right. And then I think we have one more. This is the big kahuna. The big kahuna. All right, so this is the one where all the big colors are. Okay, so here's the fairy dust one, which we're going to go back. I'm pretty sure this is in the dog's fur and everything, but we're going to go back and see where it goes. I love the 814. I know I'm a green girl, but 814 has part of my heart as well. 310s, we got 4 bags of 310s. Not too bad for a painting this size. And we end with our greens. Okay. We're going to pause, get these out of the way, and then we're going to see where the fairy dust is. 1 minute, be right back. Okay. So the fairy dust is this symbol. Remember, it was that cream. It's got like a mica powder top to it. It's not quite glitter. It's a little bit finer than that. So there's a bunch of it in here, as you can see. And then we've got some in the pets to kind of highlight the tops of the heads, you've got some, let's see, over here in the decor. Then there's a bunch up top. Whee! Let me see where did that go? Oh, yep, over here. Right here. And there's some scattered throughout the clock. And there's some over here all through the window with the cat, just to give it a little bit extra. So you're going to have AB, and remember I said Diamond Art Club does a great job on depth. So adding the fairy dust and the AB right next to each other is going to add some of that depth and sparkle. What I also love is Diamond Art Club across the bottom is going to give you the pasting thumbnail area. It's going to give you what the name of the painting is, the size, who it's licensed through. It's also going to give you all their social media, and it has that, whoop, there it goes. That's like a blooper, right? There goes my disinfectant. The lifetime warranty, so that if you miss drills or your cat knocks them over because they're jealous that you are diamond painting another cat, then you just let Diamond Art Club know, and they will work with you to give you some replacement drills. So thank you so much. This is fabulous with poured glue and the canvas, and everything is just breathtaking. I cannot wait to have fun. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.